Welcome again, Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for tuning in. And this is my preview of West Brom versus Arsenal. Arsenal versus West Brom. And before I go, please, the like for this one is 40 likes. Going for 40 likes for this one. So like the video, please like the video. And check in on the comments as well. Whatever you don't agree with me, put it in the comments. If you don't agree, put it in the comments. So like target 40, and if you're new here, drop a like, subscribe. Now let's get into the game. What I want to do first is getting a bit of statistics before I do anything. So 5 key points to note before we go anywhere. First point, West Brom are unbeaten in their last 3 Premier League home games against Arsenal. They won 2, drew 1, having only avoided defeat in 3 of their first 9 against them at the Hortons in the competition. They won 1, drew 2, and lost 6. Now, that's a good statistics for us. So let us see if we can continue with that. 2, Arsenal have scored in all 24 Premier League meetings with West Brom. That is good. Let us keep that up. The best 100% scoring record by one side against an opponent in the competition's history. Let us create history. Let us continue with this history. Arsenal have, and third point, Arsenal have won just one of their last 6 Premier League away games against promoted side. They drew 2, lose 3. Let's break that record. This is a record-breaking season. Let us break that record. With that victory coming at Fulham on opening day this season. And let's crack. Let's get this going. Let's break some record and maintain some record. Point 4, Arsenal have lost their opening league game in just 2 of the last 19 calendar years. Ooh. Just 2? We have just lost 2? Just 2? Which means that we have to win this one. We have to maintain this. We won 11 and drew 6. We lose 2-0 at Southampton in 2015 and 2-1 at Fulham in 2012. We have to get this, we have to correct this, or have to maintain this statistics and keep it in our favor. Now, last point is Arsenal have lost their last league game against a side in the relegation zone, losing 1-0 at home to Burnley. The Gunners have never lost consecutive Premier League games against a side starting in the drop zone before. Well, they're down in the below, they're down in the bottom of the league. So we have to keep that going. So let us get into the meat of the matter. First thing first, we're going to go and look at West Brom team, the team that they played against Leeds with, and see how well they did, or the team that they started. So starting lineup, they had John Stone in goal, not the defender, John Stone, keeper. They have Furlong right back, Ajaya centre back with O'Shea, and Petier at left back. They played a 4-1-4-1 formation. In the midfield area, they have Sawyers, the one that scored the own goal over the weekend. So on the left side, Diane Gea, or Diane Garner, and they have Gallagher, Phillips, and Robinson in the attacking 4, and up front they have Grant. So they picked up 5 at home last game that they played against Leeds, and it was a smashing from them, or by them. No, that stupidness. They got smashed by Leeds United easily. So let's get into the Arsenal starting lineup, and Mikel Arteta has found a winning formula and why change things. If you're winning, why you need to change it? There's no need to change a winning formula at this point in time. No need whatsoever. So we are now sitting 13th on the table on 20 points, needing 3 points to get ahead of Wolves and Leeds. Leeds are now on a zero goal difference, where they have scored 30 and conceded 30, and which basically means that they are doing good so far. And that is good in some respect and some perspective. So we're trying to get to Leeds, and I know El Loco Leeds is watching this. Ginger Jade, we're coming for you. Ginger Jade, we are coming for you. Next show, we'll be doing a duet on this game, on the next Leeds versus Arsenal game, and I'll be coming at you, yeah? Tune in. So West Brom is sitting 19th, and they have conceded 35 goals in all in the league so far, in which we have only conceded 19. We have one of the best defensive record in the league, about 5th or something like that. And I think that testament to show that we aren't that bad as we are operating, we're just not scoring, and that has been our Achilles heels so far. Alright, so let's get into my predicted starting lineup. In goal, Burnley, that is standard. We all know that is standard in goal, Burnley. On the right hand side, 4-2-3-1 formation. Mikel Arteta has found the formula and is working with it. On the right hand side, Hector Bellerin, centre back pairing. I'm not sure. Well, Gabriel will still be out, so Olin and Pablo Mari will be the centre back pairing. Left back Kieran Tierney, that is my captain. Double midfield pivot. I personally don't like Granit Xhaka, especially these type of games where teams are going to sit back. We need a more creative element inside the midfield area. But Mikel Arteta will go with Granit Xhaka. So Granit Xhaka pair with Mohamed El Nini, and in the attacking three, same attacking three, it remains. We have Saka on the right, Emile Smith-Rowe attacking midfield position, Martinelli on the left, and I do foresee Martinelli scoring a goal in this game. And up front, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, and we can see Lacazette coming on again. It could be possible that Mikel Arteta might bench Aubameyang in this one and go with Lacazette, but that is my starting lineup. My prediction for this one is Arsenal win this game 3-0. We have goals coming from Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, Martinelli, and possible header from Pablo Mari from a corner, something of that sort. So Bukayo Saka getting another assist, starting off the year in good stead as he has always done. So that is it. And for top comment from the last video is El Local Leeds channel, El Local Leeds TV, by Ginger J that I was just mentioning earlier in the video. He has the top comments with the most reaction, and I'll put it up there. You can see it. So for my next video, top comment again will go up, will be presented, and moving on to the administration of the channel, which I would like you guys to like and subscribe to the channel. My like target is 40, going for the 40 like target, and subscribe if you're new here. And if you don't agree with my starting lineup, if you believe that, many Arsenal fans at this moment do believe that Lacazette should fall back in place instead of Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. So if you believe that is the case, tell me in the comment, and I'll let you know what I think as well, and the reason why I started Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is Military Guna TV. I am Mario Dakers, and I am out.